Hello everyone. Today I go to talk about Ballet of Sibundoy for the evidence presentations. The Ballet Sibundoy is located in the department of Putumayo in the south of Colombia. It is surrounded by mountain and green landscapes. In the ballet, you can to find four municipalities: Sibundoy, San Francisco, Colón, and Santiago. Towns are known for the friendly people and colorful house and traditional celebrations. As also, nature is another reason why many tourists visit the valley. The region has rivers, mountains, forests, and a great variety of plants and animals. It is an excellent place for ecotourism and outdoor activities. You can find too much people here to walking and training, uh, climbing, and different kind of the sports you can to do in the nature. In the photo, you can see the Segundo, that is the park, and the main place where people can go to share a time and to go to the church. The economy of the valley is mainly based on agriculture, livestock, tourism, and handicrafts. Many families work in the farming and produce crops such as corn, beans, fruits, and vegetables. Sibundoy is a main town in the valley because it has the different stores and commerce business. You can find diversity of cultures and you can enjoy the different foods and dishes, traditional dishes in the of this place. The other, the one of the most important culture events in this carnival of forgiveness, also known as Betznate. In ballet, Sibundoy Ballet, uh, there are two indigenous community. They are living here years ago. The name is Inga and Kamensa. The celebration of Carnival is from Kamensa. During this celebration, people come together to share, dance, sing, and strengthen community relationships. This event represents unity, respect, and forgiveness among the inhabitants. Inhabitants. That is about my town. I live here for 33 years and I invite everyone to visit of my ballet and to share with us. Thank you so much for listening me.